This camera woman is going to the field right now. Go. She will be in the field and show some talent of RCPD, which is Rongmei Student Organization. These three will also play now. These 3, 4, 5, 6 ladies will be playing. These are the team of ZSUD and RCPD women's team. They are going to start play 4 aside. Chalo, start! Start already! Very danger. I don't know who number 10 is. There are so many number 10. Out ball. You are from ZSUD or RCPD? Okay, shoot. Yeah, shoot. Oh. ZSUD shoot chubati. RCPD reponda kathe Miss Luzian. Corner. Chalo, con out. Out ball. Keeper is shoot samang kathe. Keeper has shot it up. Susuye. Oh, run, no. Yes, Mr. Luzian carrying the ball. Yes, ZSUD team carrying the ball. Luzian carrying the ball. Out ball. ZSUD will take the out shot. Yeah, sometimes throw, sometimes kick. That is okay. Yes, number 10, Messi number. Mr. Luzian has snatched out ball for RCPD. RCPD Luzian gonna throw the out ball. Yes, Miss Arianga receives the ball. RCPD. Yeah. No, don't team player tayo. You just recognize your player, okay? Arianga, shoot the goal! Oh! That was a good save by the keeper. Keeper is swinging. That is the... Yes, Arianga carrying, yes. No fault, that is okay. No referee, carry on. Luzian. Whoa! The first goal was scored by Luzian from RCPD. 1-0. That was out. RCPD taking the out ball. Yes. Yeah. ZSUD carrying the ball now. You're closer to the goalkeeper. Oh. Out ball. Keeper, Miss Goi gonna kick the out. Oh, that is okay. Goi started the out ball. You gotta be careful. Oh, handball. Arianga, handball from RCPD. Hey, be here. Don't go there. Bring the ball. There is handball. They have already started. I don't know what to say. Hello, out ball. RCPD has taken the... Arianga, yup. Out ball. ZSUD, come. ZSUD. ZSUD, you have to throw or play kick. Out shot or out. Give it to your team. Give it to your team member. Yup. Yeah. Going good. On. Arianga in action. Yes, Luzian. Oh, good. Arianga in action. Oh, wow, what a nice save by the ZSUD keeper. Out ball. RCPD, take the ball. RCPD take the ball. Yes. Luzian gonna throw the out ball. Yeah. ZSUD taking control of the ball. ZSUD, no. It's following me. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Yeah. Good.
Only four of you.
Good. Good.
Hand.
Handball, handball, handball. Who did it? Okay. Yeah, ZSUD. Kick. Goal. Goal. Oh, yeah. That was almost, it hit the goal post. RCPD team Arianga carrying the ball. Wow, keeper saved the ball again. Keeper kicking, yes, good. Lucian controlling. Out ball. I'm tired and the actual player actually shouting, running, counting at the same time. Keeper, look at your flip mat. Yes. Good. Take up. Arianga doing a talent show. Good. 6 minute pass, okay? Four aside, the match is playing between ZSUD and RCPD. Women's team, four player aside. Oh, Gui kicked the goal. Oh, ball. Oh, Arianga. Ay, keeper, go. No issue. That's okay. If it is outside, don't take your hand, okay? Don't catch. That's okay. It's a free kick for ZSUD. Yeah, they have to defend. Control. Whoa, that was out. So far, so good. The score is 1 versus 0. Okay. Kicking from the keeper. ZSUD handball. Handball, stay on the place. Handball, not out. Handball. Yes. ZSUD did the handball. Wow. Arianga attacking. Lucian carrying the ball from RCPD. Arianga, oh. ZSUD taking the out. Shoot. Yeah. Carry on. Good. Oh. Yes, good. Oh, good. Yes. Yeah, out ball. ZSUD team, come on. Yeah, that is good. ZSUD. Yes. Oi. Out ball. RCPD team taking. Go and defend. Out again. ZSUD take it. Yeah. Yes, this is good. Good. Control. All the women's teams wear Messi jersey number. Lucian taking control. Arianga getting control. Keeper save. Wow, what a nice save. You can come on, kick anywhere you want. Out ball again. ZSUD, RCPD gonna take the out throw. Tumte. Oh, stop. Lucian kicking. Yes. Oh, good. Ah. Oh, 2-0 is the score. RCPD scored 2 goals and ZSUD 0 so far. Slowly take it over. Take it. Oi. Lucian controlling the ball. Oh. Out ball. Keeper ha. Just kick. Look at your teammate, okay? Oh. Out shot. Kick to top. Oh, good. Yeah, that is good. Good one. Just throw whatever. They have 2 options, either throw or kick. Yes, good. Ha. Ooh, almost. Just an inch away, that was. Arianga controlling. ZSUD controlling. Oi. Don't leave it. Oh, that was a miss. Susuite. Outside by the keeper. Hey, you still have another 4 minutes, okay? 4 more minutes to play. Kick suhu nang kai mai khang. Look at your teammates. Look at your teammates and pass it. Good. Lucian taking control. Yes. Your team. Go. Pass. Pass it to your teammate. Oh, out goal. Either you chose the option throw or kick. Lucian. Oi. Try. Yeah, take your time. Yeah, sure. Don't leave it. Now keep running. Good. Yes, good one. Keep on attacking. Should not leave. Yes, keeper good. Tidak ketum ho. Give it position. Yeah. Yes, this is good. Nang kai mai to zeu. Lucian controlling. Don't wait. Take it and score. Take it. Whoa. Alay. Arianga, this is the time. Oh, what a nice save by the keeper. Shoot. Nice. Away. Be careful. Oh. Nang kai mai zao nang zang asu. Hey, you guys should come and ask for the ball. So hey. Yes. Look somewhere. Good. Run toward the goal. Yes. So far so good. Don't leave it. No excuse. Woo. What a nice game. Out ball, keeper, take it and pass it to your team. Last 1 minute, okay? Last 1 minute. Hey, run. Keep it, take it again. Lucian taking control. Yes. Keeper, very good. Hey, control. Yeah. Don't keep watching like that. Yes. Now, going toward the. That's ahead, to ahead. That's ahead. Oh, that is good. Run, run, run. Out ball, RCPD. Hey, come fast, RCPD, your ball. Hey, last minute. Call up. Be careful. Ah. Whoa, that is out. Done, done, done. Well done. The game is over now. ZSUD choose to kick first. Mr. Miss Goy from RCPD team. Chalo ZSUD. Whoa! That was out, ball. Save! So far, no goals. Come, no excuse. ZSUD gonna kick again now. Penalty shoot. ZSUD team. Wow! That was a beautiful goal. Well done. RCPD team. Chalo RCPD team. Chalo. Captain Arianga. Oh, hey! Miss. ZSUD team. How many goals are you going to kick? Yeah? Chalo ZSUD team. Whoa! Save. So now RCPD team, Lucian. Over. Is it done? We still have? Okay. One more from ZSUD. Yeah, 1-0 is the score. Hey! Whoa! Saved by the goalkeeper. They still have one more chance for RCPD. Goy. Yeah. Goy, you come. No. 4-4 shoot. They are gonna win. Draw. Yeah. Chalo, Goy. All the best. Messi. So Goy, go and do the keeper. Yes. Messi. Let's see. Chalo. Wow. Penalty shot won by the ZSUD team and the match won by the RCPD team. Both a draw for today. Well done, team.